Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel once again. This video is not going to be that much long, it will be around 2 to 3 minutes. In this video, I would like to address one problem that I recently faced while developing a product for one of my startups. In that project, I was using a Flutter version that was 3.3.10. If I just scroll down, I'll get that one. I was using this version of Flutter 3.3.10. But in my product, I wanted to add another feature which required me to add one particular dependencies from pop.dev. While adding that pop.dev dependency into my project or into my popspec.yml file, it asked me to upgrade the Flutter SDK version. So without researching anything or without taking any precautions, I just went ahead to upgrade that Flutter SDK version to latest one, that is 3.10.4. But when I upgraded to 3.10.4, the main problem started. My code broke down and I couldn't run my project smoothly. It gave me so much dependencies error. I went on trying resolving one by one dependencies, like whatever the problems was asking me to do or whatever the problems were shown to me on the console. I was trying to upgrade those dependencies one by one and their dependent dependencies one by one. It took hell lot of time. Like it took around 20 hours for me to figure out where the problem is actually. Then I tried to find out what was my previous Dart version and what was my Flutter Dart version. Finally, I got tired and I rolled back to my previous version of Flutter, that was 3.3.10, and it worked smoothly. But unfortunately, I couldn't add my feature that I wanted to add into my product. The main purpose of creating this video is to aware you all that when you are going to upgrade your Flutter SDK version, please consider these three things. First, check your existing Dart version and the Flutter compatible version. Like if I say Flutter version is 3.10.0 here and the respective Dart version is 3.0.3. Similarly, you can check on your command prompt. Second thing, check the existing dependencies are dependent or it is compatible, whether it is compatible with the latest Dart version or not, 3.0.3. And third thing, the new packages that you are going to use in your project are compatible with the latest Dart version or not, or is it compatible with the lower Dart version or not. These three things needs to be considered while upgrading to the Flutter latest SDK version. The things which I couldn't find, I am just explaining you all so that you shouldn't face this problem that I already faced and wasted so much time. And to do so, how you can check, I'm just going to explain you one by one. These things you can see from the documentation of Flutter site, and particularly to check whether the package is dependent on any Dart version or not, I'm just going to show you here. For example, I was facing problem with the printing package. If I go to this printing package, open this printing package and go to versions. Here the latest version is 5.11.0 and the minimum required Dart SDK is 3.0. But in my project I was using 5.9.3 and the required Dart SDK version is 2.12. When I upgraded to Flutter SDK version, it gave me an error called UI.view configuration not found because the Dart SDK was changed to 3.0.3 and inside this Dart version that code is not supported which is present inside the printing package. For that I upgraded to 5.11.0, and when I upgraded to 5.11.0 of this printing package, its respective other packages didn't work. Slowly I went on changing the dependencies compatible with each other. Finally, I couldn't do anything and I couldn't resolve the issues because there were so many dependencies, those were needed to be changed to work smoother. If you are trying to create a new project, then it's fine. But if you're going to use in your old existing project, then it will create a lot of problem, like code breakages. It will not run. Your project will not run. You will not be able to run smoothly. I hope this video might have gave you some idea while upgrading to the Flutter SDK packages. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope to see you in the next video. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much once again.